Hi all, so welcome to this channel and uh, this time I'm presenting the following topic which is mentioned in front of you, that is pointers to pointer in RPG programming. So earlier we have listened about the pointer concepts. I have already created many videos on the pointer concepts in ILI RPG or in CL programming, so you can watch those videos from my channel playlist or search on my channel. Just but this time I'm creating this video which is basically pointer to pointer in RPG. So I think most of us have worked on the pointers in C programming or in several other programming languages, but uh, this video talks about the pointer to pointer concepts in the RPG programming. So I think I should do this presentation right now or show this demo. Let me show this example which I created. So you can see I have defined a normal variable which is of 10 characters, that is taking 10 bytes in the memory and initialize it as hello. So basically 10 bytes of memory is allocated to this variable in some storage, and the address of that storage is basically linked to this variable is pointing to that address. So now we have two pointer variables, you can see. So what I am doing, first thing is I'm passing the address of this data variable, character variable, to this pointer 1, ptr1. Now this ptr1 is holding the address of, which is extracted using the %addr keyword, or you can say the built-in function %addr, and stores the address of data in the ptr1. But let me tell you one thing which makes you confused. So if you think, let me tell you, if you think if this ptr1 now stores the address, and if you directly evaluate the ptr1 to the ptr2, then it's a pointer to pointer. No, it's not a pointer to pointer. It's a simple pointer because you are evaluating the address of data into the ptr1 pointer variable. So pointer 1 contains the address of this data, and now you are transferring or evaluating the same address into some other pointer variable. So basically this contains the address, ptr1 contains the address of data variable, and ptr2 now also contains the address of data. So this is not a pointer to pointer, that is address of address. This is not an address of address, this is simply address of data. So pointer 1 and pointer 2 will store the address of this data variable. Now what is pointer to pointer then? Then pointer to pointer is something, a pointer variable which stores the address of some other variable, some other pointer variable. Okay, you can say pointer variable. So basically now you can see, just comment it out for right now. So you can see I have evaluated the address of data variable in the pointer 1. The pointer 1 is containing the address of this data variable. After that, since this is a pointer variable, this would also take some memory in the storage, which is of 16 bytes. Since it stores the address, so it is storing the address of this data variable at some other memory location which is of 16 bytes. Now that memory location is also having some address, so that address gets stored into the ptr2 using %addr built-in function. So we are extracting the address of ptr1 now. Now ptr2 will hold the address of ptr1, not the value. So it will hold the address of ptr1 and ptr1 will hold the address of data. So basically you are holding the address of address. So let me show you the same by debugging this. This was compiled. This program is compiled successfully. Just debug this. Just set the big pointed line number 1, call pgmr4. Now since the program is now started, we'll see ptr1 is star null right now, this also star null, and data is allocated with 10 bytes in the memory and initialized with hello value, and this data will basically point to that location where this 10 bytes of memory is allocated. Now what I'm doing is I am extracting the address of this data variable and storing that address, which for which the memory is allocated to this variable. I'm storing that in ptr1. Now ptr1 stores the address of data. How I'll check? Eval ptr1 colon c length 10. So you can see this ptr1 will store the address, and at that address we are basically having this value. You can also check the hex value. You can see the hex value and the corresponding data. Now if you simply evaluate the ptr1 variable to the ptr2, means you are transferring the address which you stored of data variable in ptr1 to the ptr2. Now ptr1 and ptr2 will store the same address, basically the address of data. So if you look at ptr1, you will be seeing the same data, and if you look at ptr2, you will be seeing the same data, because both the pointers are basically storing the same address. Now this line won't signify that this is a pointer to pointer, because this is not, ptr2 is not storing the address. Now this line will tell me that this is a pointer to pointer. So I am basically storing, ptr1 is storing the address of this data. Now I am going to store the address of ptr1 to the ptr2. Just think twice, that is I am storing the address of ptr1 to the ptr2, not the address of data. I'm not storing the address of data to this ptr2, I am storing the address of ptr1. And this ptr1 variable, pointer variable, which takes 16 bytes in the memory, having its own address at the memory location, with which I am taking that in the ptr2, and that memory location ptr1 will store the address of another data variable. Okay, so now you'll see ptr1 is having this address in last bcb0. Now you'll see ptr2 is something like this bdd0. So basically ptr2 now holds the address of ptr1. So now if you'll see ptr1 colon c then 10, you will see that this ptr1 will store the address of this data, and you can see the data value at that address, that is hello. Now if you do same thing on the ptr2, you will see that you won't be getting, you will be seeing 16 bytes, you need to see. So you won't be getting the data. So this time you are storing the address, so you can see hex value for that address. So ptr2 will basically hold the address of the ptr1, and ptr1 will hold the address of the data variable. So this way you are building the pointer to pointer concept, and you can build this to at any level. So you can make pointer 3 as well, and you can pass the pointer 2 variable to the address of pointer 2 to the pointer 3, and pointer 3 variable you can define, then pointer 3 and pointer 4 you can pass the address of pointer 3 to the pointer 4. So and so on. So this way you can build the chain of pointers to pointers to pointers at any level. So this is the concept of pointers to pointers in RPGLE. So don't be confused with this one, because this is not the pointer to pointer. Pointer to pointer is something like this. These two lines will lets you know that this is a concept of pointer to pointer. Basically, when you are storing the address of another address variable in the pointer, so that's called the pointer to pointer. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice time.